Imagine this. You're a fully remote entrepreneurial executive and you're sitting enjoying your coffee in the morning and you hear a chime. Look at that, you've made a sale and someone's about to join your network. And it's not because of a client service call or a booking or a meeting. It's an automated digital sale and your system has been working through the night while you slept. You already know the grind. You're exhausted from the 9 to 5 treadmill, long hours, low growth, and little time with family. So many professionals feel stuck. No experience, little tech skills, no following. Inexperienced, fear of selling, fear of the big reveal. It's a universal struggle, the twilight between doubt and potential. But our promise to you is that these things should not present a problem. You see your peers scaling online models and you ask yourself, why not me? You want legacy impact, but the route seems closed. But there is relief. He has a simple program that's designed to lift beginners into fully remote digital entrepreneurs. So let's do a quick system overview. ThriveLine Legacy provides automated systems, pre-built websites, and email workflows. Modules on organic media creation on TikTok, YouTube, and other social media channels. Lifetime course materials into the digital marketing realm, regardless of whether you're a complete beginner, intermediate, or advanced marketer. And even if you've never done any sort of sales marketing before, connect with our 52,000 strong school network for daily mentoring, weekly webinars, and full tech support. Hey, if you're enjoying what you're hearing so far, be sure to check out my channel and hit subscribe. Hey, welcome back and thanks for watching. So let's talk about instant profit. Your system pays out 100% commission in USD from your very first sale simply by promoting your products and services on the social media platforms, TikTok and Instagram. Promotion through free ad websites and by inviting your potential customer to come and view our network in one of our weekly webinars. This process, when managed properly, can take you just 2 hours a day. So you tell me, would a 2-hour workday from home alleviate some of your time? Would working from the comfort of a coffee shop or even from home with our online team and your course material alleviate some of the stress of the daily commute? Trading time for money in a job that builds somebody else's empire while your dreams of owning your own business slowly dwindle, your time constantly being eaten up by work commitments? And would $900 a day alleviate some of the financial debt? That equates to $27,000 a month just by selling one program a day. Would that be sufficient for your new luxury vehicle? Or perhaps that family holiday that you've been putting off for the last 4 years because there simply wasn't enough cash flow or enough leave allocated to you? With complete freedom of movement and the opportunity to become certified as an LBCR legacy builder through ThriveLine. Just look at this. Today is the 15th of June and Victoria has already created $10,000 in revenue profit through simple automations. Or Jessica over here, who generated $2,100 while spending time cheering her daughter at the swimming gala. Christy, who made $900 while spending quality time with her granddaughter. And honestly, it's not just about making money. It's about realizing one's true potential while working in the digital space. Enough time to spend on the important things, like family, your health, and personal development. Here's Joshua. He realized his lifelong dream to become a published author and has released his first creative work on Amazon. All thanks to the guidance and mentorship in the learning modules provided in this program. My personal story, I went from working an average of 66 hours per week in the health and fitness industry to launching my own full scope marketing agency with a lean team of professionals. I'm already working on my second client ideation while launching my personal brand, ThriveLine. Using all of the resources at my disposal, I've become a certified AI specialist and a recognized legacy builder associate. I've managed to thankfully achieve this in just 3 months. Now, I'm not trying to blow my own trumpet here, but I want you to understand the power of the system that not only funds your dreams on automation, but also empowers you. Yes, you, to become a fully remote entrepreneurial executive in the online space within the digital marketing realm. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying the video so far, then you need to check out some of my content as well as my personal story right here on YouTube, and be sure to subscribe. Hello and welcome back. Okay, so you may be asking yourself, so what is this program and how does it all work, right? The first thing that you'll need is a Wi-Fi connection and a laptop, although you can manage the program through a mobile device if that's all you have at your disposal. You'll need to get a GoDaddy subscription for your domain for 12 months, which is relatively inexpensive. This will be the foundation for your brand, so you need to think of a name that will describe your personal journey and yourself best. Pro tip, you're looking for a 2 to 3 syllable name that best describes yourself and the services that you offer. Easy to pronounce and easy to decipher even when in script format with no special characters. Here's an example: Automated Freedom or Faceless Daily. A name that is simple, easy to pronounce, and easy to remember. This domain will be the storefront to your website and your personal brand, so make sure that you choose a name that will go the extra mile for years to come. Now you need to choose a program that you'll begin with, of which there are 4. Let me go through them with you. First up, we have Launchpad. This is your digital starting point, a clear beginner-friendly program that helps you build brand, design, and content strategy. Launchpad will help you to create your first online presence with confidence. Its value is that it's the safest and smartest way to enter the digital game with clarity, direction, and momentum right out of the gate. Although you are limited to one passive income stream at a cost of $100 that pays $100 per unit in instant commission. Next up, we have the Passive Daily Blueprint. This blueprint gives you the exact steps to build automated income using digital products and affiliate marketing skill sets. It's designed for people who want to make consistent daily revenue without trading time for money. Turn your knowledge into income with 2 passive income streams at a cost of $300 that pay the same in automated commission. So you have $100 and $300 passive income streams that pay daily without you having to chase clients or punch the clock. Now, for those who are looking to scale, let's look at Digital Mastery. This is an advanced business program focused on SEO, ads, and business automation, including all of the course material and income streams mentioned above, both for Launchpad and Passive Daily Blueprint, meaning that you'll have a total of 3 income streams with $100, $300, and $600 at a once-off cost of just $600. It's ideal for the digital entrepreneur who wants to scale efficiently, maximize return on investment with expert-level strategy. It's not just about marketing, it's about mastery. Scale smarter, automate faster, and earn more. And finally, we have the crown jewel, the Legacy Builder 2.0 program. Legacy Builder isn't just a program, it's an entire business in a box. It gives you ready-to-sell digital products, done-for-you systems, daily mentorship, and master resale rights. So you keep 100% of the profit on 4 passive income streams, including $100, $300, $600, and $900 at a total cost of once-off payment of $900. It's a business with a blueprint already built in. Just plug in, scale up, and keep every dollar you earn. Just imagine if the automations on this program track 1 sale on each stream for 30 days. That's a total of $57,000 on remote automation per month. It also includes bonus course material into Canva creation and social media marketing, daily mentorship, and free access to our network of 52,000 strong marketers. A recognized certification as an LBCR Legacy Builder Associate, ensuring that your success is imminent. Lastly, there's a once-off $39 website fee for every program for your automated website that can be completely personalized. Free automated email outreach campaigns consisting of 30 highly optimized emails that are modeled to be completely customized and automated. You can also create your own campaigns and newsletters on your system for life, because connection equals currency, my friend. So we're in the final stretch, and if you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, do it now. Also, be sure to check out some of the other posts and shorts on this channel. Feel free to engage and I will respond to you personally. Can making money online actually be fun instead of the daunting 9-to-5 grind? Okay, so for the final wrap up, let's look at some of the numbers. If you're selling just one Legacy Builder program a day at $900, that equates to $328,000 a year. Now, for us as South Africans, that figure can be multiplied 18 to 19 times to be converted to the South African ZAR. I think I've made it clear of the potential freedom that can be achieved with ThriveLine. And to be honest, it's invigorating. It's exciting to build network marketers globally at the little cost of your television or the device that you're watching this video on. So whether you are starting up or building a digital empire, ThriveLine Legacy has a pathway for you. The only real question is, how big are you ready to play? If you are ready to turn strategy into income and knowledge into legacy, the next step is simple. Just head over to the website link in my bio. I'm also going to post it up here on the screen. Simply go to thrivelinelegacy.com. Then place your email details on this page and you'll instantly receive my passive income blueprint. Free ad strategy and social media monetization. You're not making a commitment just yet because I want you to be completely aligned on the program that fits you. Keeping in mind that you have the opportunity to upgrade your program within a period of 30 days for the difference in price. Okay, next you're going to watch the accompanying videos from our founder, Michelle O'Neill, and keep an eye on your email box for the next 30 days. Now choose your program and let's build. I'm looking for 12 burnt out professionals that are ready to start building your own personal brand, to mentor you as you build your online business that's geared to earn while you learn. Now there's 2 types of responses here. The person who's willing to take the next step to change their personal situation. And I mean, if this isn't for you, then simply unsubscribe from my email list and you'll never hear from me again, my friend. I really don't need to bother you or DM you, considering that this program has already made over $29 million in revenue profits in the last 2 years. Members who are relentlessly hungry for a life led by financial freedom. But the truth is that it's up to you to take the initiative. So here is the access to your own online business, your own website, and automated email campaigns within our network. You are geared to learn and succeed because why not build an income and actually have fun doing it? I'm going to place my direct mail over here on the screen and also in the descriptions below. So if you're wanting to set up a one-on-one call to a line, or if you're just wanting to meet me face to face, then feel free to drop me a mail. I chose to walk away from an industry in sales consulting that I was so passionate about for years, until I realized the power of marketing automations in the online space. I've tripled my income in the last 3 months, and my mission is to help 100 families earn daily income while learning digital marketing. Hey, if you've made it this far into the video, I want to thank you for the time that you've given me today. My name is John Lewis, and I help people just like you to create freedom of movement, escaping the 9 to 5 grind. Network with people just like you who are focused on family and financial freedom. If this video has resonated with you today, why don't you share it with a friend or a colleague? Feel free to reach out to me in the comments or via email, and do check out the links in my bio. Peace and love.